Oh, hey there, it's Leanne from Proud Pup Media. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. So today I'm just going to show you a quick tip about Gmail and how you can use autocomplete to make your email writing easier. So if you don't know what autocomplete is, it's basically a tool embedded in Gmail that predicts what you'll type and also learns your writing style so that you can speed up your writing process. So it's kind of cool. So I'll just show you a simple example. There you go. So you can see the grayed out text there. If isn't something that you would normally write, then you can just click on the feedback here and it'll take you to the recent suggestions, and then you can tell them what it was that didn't work. So that's kind of cool. So, okay, so if you see this grayed out text and you want to use it, all you need to do is click tab on your keyboard and it will scroll to the end so you can use it and click return. If you don't see that happening in Gmail, it's probably because you have the settings toggled off. So I'll show you where those are. So just come up to the cog up here, see all settings, and then scroll down in the general tab, down a little bit here. And there you see Smart Compose, which is the predictive writing text suggestions. And then there's also Smart Compose personalization. So that's the part that learns your writing style. So there are the toggles. So make sure those are on. And if you need to save, then you do save them there. And that's basically it. So then you can come back into your Gmail or in your email and start typing your message. That's all for today. So I hope that helped you learn more about how powerful Gmail can be and how you can streamline your writing processes. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I publish more posts. Thanks again.